Hello friends, so we will try to solve this SQL query today. So we have to break the columns into rows. So this is our input table baskets and this is the output of this table. So this is our source data. So you can see different persons, person A, B, C, D, and the basket shows that whether this person A, which fruits this person likes to eat. So for example, person A likes to eat apple, mango, orange. Person B just like to eat apple. Same for C, guava and cherry, and for D, mango, cherry, orange. So this is our data. We have to generate an output in this manner. So for all these persons, we have to generate separate columns with a flag of yes or no. If they like that fruit, put it as yes. If they don't like that fruit, then we have to keep it as no. So it is quite simple query. So we just have to do some unpivoting. So we will break this one column into multiple columns. So let's start to write the query. Select person, which is the name of the person, and we just will use the case statement. Case when basket like apple. So what I am doing, I am just doing a match on at the string level for this basket for each person. So if the basket matches apple, that means if the value of basket has a string apple, then I will put yes, else no, and as apple. So this will generate a column apple with a value of yes or no based on whether the basket string contains apple. Then similarly for all these fruits, I will create a column basket like mango, then yes, else no, and as mango. Then case when basket like orange, then yes, else no, and as orange. Now I will just copy paste for remaining fruits. So what all fruits are there, for that we can put a case statement. So we have one more cherry, and same thing I will put here. And then the last one is guava. So we have total 5 distinct fruits, so we are just putting the case statement for all of these baskets. Now if I run this query, you can see the output. So for person A, it likes apple, mango, orange. So you can see apple, mango, orange. For all these 3 fruits, it is yes. For cherry, guava, it is no. For B, it is only apple, so apple yes, then all the other fruits are no. For C, it is guava and cherry, so guava and cherry, and then for D, mango, cherry, orange, so mango, cherry, orange, and the remaining fruits are no. So in this way we can do some unpivoting and pivoting of the columns. So if we face any similar kind of question where we have to break the rows or columns, then we can follow the same approach. So thanks for watching this video.